If you want to know how to put on the Donjoy cold therapy pads, we're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use a cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm also going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do it? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Donjoy cold therapy pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each cold therapy pad on our website. You can also use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please don't put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. This is the spine pad for the Donjoy, and this is a cold wrap back pad. This acts as a barrier between the pad and your skin. These can be purchased individually, or you can purchase them as a combo. So once you have the cold wrap back pad, you're going to want to open it up and lay it out. And you're going to see that there is a pocket inside. This pocket is where the pad is going to go. So you're going to take your pad and slide it into this pocket. Once you've gotten it in there, you're going to want to take this back pad and put it on your body. Because it's a long pad, you're going to need to trim it to make it fit you well. Once you've done that, you're ready to apply it and start your therapy. Now that we have our pad inserted into the pocket on our spine wrap, we are ready to apply it to the skin. As you can see, we have already trimmed ours to make it fit properly. So you're going to make sure that the pad, of course, is over your back area. Bring this around and fasten it into place. Once you've got it securely fastened, take your hose from the cooler and hook it in to the hose on the pad. Once you hear that little click, that means it's secure. Then take your power supply, plug it into your cooler, and you're ready to begin your therapy.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comments section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.